Hello. I made these little Among Us figures recently. They took approximately a million years to make because of who I am as a person. Anyway, first I made the base body shape 12 times because there are 12 colors in the game. Most of the time you can't see what the frick I'm doing, sorry about that. I use these little squares for the backpacks of the astronaut suits. I used air dry clay because it's cheap, but it is very effing difficult to work with. Then I attach the visors. It was surprisingly difficult to make the same thing 12 times and make them look the same. Now it's time to customize the characters with hats, skins and pets. I chose my favorite ones from the game. By the way, I'm using cake decorating tools to sculpt with. I dip them in water often so the clay doesn't dry, but sometimes it's easier to let the clay parts dry before you attach them. This kind of clay doesn't just stick to itself, so I have to knead them together if I want them to stay together. The hats I chose are the plunger, the crown, headphones, the plant leaves, the cat head hat, the sunny side up, the plague doctor mask, the knife, the slippery floor sign, the mini crewmate, the dumb sticky note and ram horns. Fun fact: it was my birthday when I was editing this video. I made 6 pets: the blue one-eyed dog, the head crab, the mini crewmate, the robot, the brain slug and the UFO. Once they're done, I brush them with a wet brush. This makes the surface smooth. This makes a big difference. Then I start painting. I tried to stay true to the actual design and colors as much as I could. I used acrylic paints. The paint dries really quickly once you put it down. Almost instantly. It's kinda strange. The one with the slippery floor sign ended up being my favorite. I used a brown pen for little details on the sign and the sticky note. Sometimes I needed multiple layers of paint. For the ones with clothes, I drew in the design with a pencil first, and then painted between the lines. I also wanted to make one with a halo, but I don't know how I would have made it float. Four of them have outfits on. One of them has a scientist robe which goes well with the dumb sticker. Is he smart or dumb? I don't know. One wears a winter coat which is paired with a cat hat too. Must be really cold, I can relate. The one with the horns wears a black suit, very fashionable. And the one with the plunger has the hazmat suit. What's he cooking? At the end I outlined things with a black pen. This made it all come together. And lastly I took them outside to spray them with a layer of clear and waterproof coating. Flip them over to get both sides. And all done. Kitty didn't find them interesting. Lovely little fellas. Here are some close-ups. I also like the one that just looks like a lemon. And the pink plague doctor? Very sus. Oh, and Cyan, who has too many crewmates. Definitely safe. Right? And the crew is assembled. But wait. Something seems a little suspicious. There might be an imposter among them. Who could it be?